South Africa doesn't have a corruption problem, Faith. We have an ANC problem, if we're being honest. And the way in which they carry on with such a myopic view of what they do, they don't realize that they have affected generations to come. I think once they realize that, and once they realize that days are numbered, it will be very late. It will be too late. Because even now, they act with such tremendous arrogance. It's as if they have an outright majority nationally or even in Gauteng. They have not learned the lessons that life has so graciously taught them. And we are of the view that until or unless they lose power and no longer have the ability to hamper with the purse strings of a province or even a city, they will never change. They are unrepentant.
Kule nyanga ezedlule sibone amamasha amaningi kwaze kwaphuma i-deadline engomhla ka-30 la kwakuthiwa khona labantu abala eSouth Africa ngokungekho semthethweni ababizwa ngama-illegal immigrants okanye singathi undocumented Africans njengokusho ka-former president uMbeki ebewethi ababuyele emakubo ngoba ukuba khona kwabo la kubugebengu. Ukuba khona la ngokungekho semthethweni kubugebengu ngoba abanye babo bazibandakanya nobugebengu, batholakala benza izinto eziningi ezingahambisani nomthetho, abanye bathengisa idakamizwa nezinto ezehlukahlukeneyo abazenzayo. Kodwa amamashi bekungamamashi aya kuhulumeni ethi uhulumeni wethu akalwe nodaba lwabantu bokufika. Ingakho kungakaze kushawe umuntu kulamamashi, kungakaze kushiswe umuntu. Lilonke singathi bekungamamashi peaceful. Imagine match isungulwe ngoMarch ngonyaka ophelile. Isinonyaka ikhona. Akukaze kwathiwa manje sekubulawa abantu kuphi. Kodwa bekungamamashi peaceful. Futhi njalo mabe masha bathatha memorandum bayihambise kuyikhulu zikahulumeni. Bona uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa es-addressa njengesizwe wasikhumbuza ukuthi cha njengoba ekhona amamashi kuyilungelo labantu ukuthi abamashe kodwa bangalinge bathatha umthetho bawubeke ezandleni zabo. Futhi abantu abanelungelo lokuthi babuza abantu ukuthi banawo ama-documents okanye abanawo bababheke kuzo zonke lezo zinto ama-law enforcement agencies okubala kuwo immigration officers, kubalwa amaphoyisa kanjalo njalo. Kodwa abantu nje bangamalungu omphakathi abanalungelo lalokho base besungula i-interministerial committee uchairperson wayo uminister wejustice umama lokokubhayi ukuthi akube uyena njalo ngefortnight basilethela i-update ukuthi nazi inhlelo ezenzakalayo nakho kwenzakalayo. Okutheke makusondela umhla ka-30 kuJune baqala amazwe lawa angomakhelwane akhipha amabhasi ukuthi awazothatha labantu laba abangase basemazweni abo bababuyisele ekhaya. Okuthe ngoba bethi abantu mabefika lapha baverify eqala kutholakala ukuthi inqwaba kulabantu laba bebengekho documented. Uma kuthiwa nje abantu bawu-10,000 about 9,000 bebengekho documented abahambile babuyela emazweni abo.
Anybody who is going to South Africa now, who is planning to permanently move there, what is one caution that they should have in one sentence?
Be documented.
Be what?
Documented.
So you don't recommend illegal migration to South Africa?
Exactly, because that's what they hold their hands on, which I support totally. Number one, my house was broken into twice in South Africa. I couldn't find those people because they are not documented. They are immigrants from the neighboring countries. They break in, take things and go.
Lo bhuti wase Nigeria ubuzo omunye wase Nigeria ukuthi uma ngathiwa nje unomuntu ofuna ukuya eSouth Africa isiphi iseluleko ongamnika sona uthi lo ngathi kuye be documented ngoba uyaqonda ukuthi labantu base South Africa bamashayo abanankinga nabantu abeze South Africa bodwa abanenkinga nomuntu oze South Africa ngokungekho semthethweni. Ilonto leyo nje abayikhulumayo. Umfobo kaPenuel uPensini ukhulume kanje.
Why do you have walls at your house?
Yeah.
Why do you lock the door? I have no time for people that defend or go against what the current agenda is with March and March.
Cool. Yeah.
Illegal foreigners. We're not saying foreigners. Forget foreigners. Everybody's a foreigner somewhere.
Yeah.
Why do you have walls at your house?
Yeah.
Why do you lock the door?
And just because I lock the door doesn't mean I hate my neighbor. It just means I love my family more.
Bro,
And if my fridge is empty and my family can't eat, how am I bringing guys into my house?
you
and
got one
saying-
slice of bread. You got one slice of bread. You saying that there's a problem at home.
Yeah.
Let's get the visitors just to step out for a little bit. We love the visitors.
Yeah.
Let's fix the problems that we have at home.
Bro, the lights aren't on.
It might take us 5 years, might take us 10, might take us
There's no
2
water.
days.
There's no water.
There's no water.
And we're saying, hey.
Everybody come.
Njengoba kukhona abaholi beSADC la eSouth Africa, uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa kwi-keynote abeka itelevision ekhuluma nabaholi beSADC uxolisile kakhulu. Wathi futhi njengabantu base-South Africa kufanele abantu base-South Africa babe ashamed ukuthi bebexosha abantu la eSouth Africa abalanga okungekho semthethweni. Usho njalo uPresident wethu, ngicela uzwena.
If we are serious about building an integrated region, we must build a Southern Africa in which the equal rights of all peoples are respected, where all people are treated decently and equally. We cannot submit to the intimidation and harassment of people seen as coming from elsewhere. As South Africans, we are deeply concerned and ashamed that nationals from other countries have in recent months been subjected to discrimination and ill treatment. I repeat, as South Africans, we are deeply concerned and ashamed that people from other nations, some whose leaders are here, were treated badly and were even forced to leave the country under threat of violence. The criminal actions of a few within our communities are a repudiation of the solidarity upon which this Southern African community is built. We cannot preach integration at summits and practice exclusion in the streets of our countries. I say this as a South African, to South Africans first of all, but this is a broader challenge to which we must apply ourselves as a community. Southern Africa has borne witness to the movement of people over millennia.
Ngiyacela ungilekelele la ku comment section ungazisa ukuthi ngabe uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa uthi abantu base South Africa funa babe ashamed for ukuthi balwela ukuthi akugcina umthetho wase South Africa na. Kungani sibe nama immigration policies izibe khona impela ku constitution kube ne section ekhulunywa ngeimmigration. Why sine border gate uma ngabe abantu base South Africa manje labantu abangene ngokungekho semthethweni abaphume babuyele emazweni akubo bese upresident akufuna labantu babe ashamed. Sizani mina mhlawumbe imongasazi isilungu. Ya mhlawumbe lenkulumo angizwanga kahle ngoba isilungu kanti mina isilungu angisazi. Ngicela ukuthi ungilekelele la comment section. Ungitshela kahle uthini upresident? Uthi abantu base South Africa funa babe ashamed ngoba bekhalela ukuthi abantu abagcina umthetho wase South Africa. Angithi mawuya kwelinye izwe ukufuneka kube nama traveling documents wakho okuyi passport makune visa kulelo zokube ivisa. Angithi unalezo zinto ukuze ube semthethweni. Kwenziwa yini kanti makuse South Africa kungafanelanga lezo zinto ezinjalo zi-apply? Angazi noma yimo ongasazi isilungu na. Yingakho ngicela ukuthi ngicela ungisize la comment section. Ungilekelele kahle kahle uthini upresident? Uthi abantu base South Africa funa babe ashamed ngokulwela ukuthi akugcina umthetho wasezweni labo. Ngokuthi abantu abenza izinto ngokomthetho nangendlela right. Uthini kahle kahle upresident?